What's up YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to do a live practical analysis class on volatility 25 index. If you are a believer of technical analysis, then this video is right for you. Ladies and gentlemen, before we proceed with the video, please allow me to introduce you to the famous Chart Prime. Chart Prime provides unique trading indicators that automate a trader's job on technical analysis. They have a plethora of tools that make traders' job easy, especially on technical analysis, like automatic pattern detection and so on. For more details, please do click the links in the description below. Now getting back to our video, we will now be doing a process called top-down analysis, where we will start from a much higher time frame and then progress slowly to the lower time frames. Right now we are on the 4-hour time frame, but since the phone screen usage is limited here, we can't get full information on this one time frame alone. So what I decide to do is I go to a much higher time frame, which for this case would be the daily time frame. We will be using this time frame to get the general bias of the markets, and you can see for yourself, while the 4-hour time frame was showing us that the market is on an uptrend, the daily time frame shows otherwise, because on the daily time frame it can be clearly seen that the market general bias is on a downtrend, as you can see for yourself on the screen. And that marks one important point that you must note down on your notebooks, and that point is to never get too much zoomed in on just one time frame. Getting back to the daily time frame, we notice that the market price right now is on a very important level, and that level is called the resistance level. Hence, it will be only natural for us to look for sell entries while progressing towards the lower time frames. But that doesn't mean that the market must respect this level alone. Hence, we as professional traders, we must tune our minds to think in probabilities, and a good way to think in probabilities is to say that the market might not respect this level here and hence break it, only to come and respect another level right here before it starts actually selling. And this is one of the most common mistakes that my students face before they join my mentorship class. If you want to join my VIP mentorship class or my private signal page where I will be sharing my daily analysis and signals, please do contact me through the links that can be found in the description below. Leaving that aside, let's now go to the lower time frame, which for this case that will be the 4-hour time frame. On the 4-hour time frame, I'm sure you are seeing these weak rejections right here. Well, these weeks carry a very high important message considering that they occurred on the resistance level, but we can't enter the trade on this high time frame, okay, because our stop loss will be so huge, because it would have to be logically above these weeks, and that's, my friend, is a lot of money, which honestly I can't afford to lose. And since they say only risk what you can afford to lose, let me go to the lower time frame, which for this case that will be the 1-hour time frame, and look for possible sell entries. Now we are on the 1-hour time frame, guys and girls. I'm pretty sure you can see that the market is on a retracement to a minor resistance level on this impulsive move. So what's next is we define first our risk, then we execute our system without any fear, because we are probability experts.
A few moments later.
Guys and girls, this thing may look easy, but believe me, it is not. It requires a lot of practice before you can actually master it. If you want to have me as your personal mentor for a month or even a lifetime, you can contact me through the link in the description below. Before leaving this video, please do like it for me, click the subscribe button, and lastly turn the notification bell icon on so that you never miss any of my future uploads. Till next time, bye bye.